Hey lovelies, it's your girl Kimberly and I'm back with another video. So today I'm making a DIY ring light DIY project. So I just want to show you what it looks like. This is my old ring light, but I'm gonna remake this one, fix it up, but that's after I have the light, the LED light. This is the package that it came in. I got everything from Walmart. Everything was $22 and under. Yeah, so that's the light. Just came with the light, the little attachment piece. I got some tape. I got some wax paper. I got some aluminum foil. I got some cable ties. And I got a wreath. And actually, I bought a cardboard too, because I don't have any cardboard, so I'm gonna have to cut this out and put this on, but y'all will see. So let's get into the video. So first thing first, I'm about to cut the cardboard out, and I'm gonna mark it to the same length as this so it can go around. It's gonna be like the whole paper. So right now I'm just outlining it with a marker, and then I'm gonna cut it out. So that is what it looks like, and now I'm about to go ahead and cut it out. And it matches the ring exactly, or at least close enough for me to put it together. So I'm gonna go ahead and move that out of the way. The next thing I'm gonna do is put aluminum foil around this. So I'm gonna take the aluminum foil and I'm gonna wrap it. Alright, so this is what it looks like when it's finished. Both sides on foil. And then I'm gonna go ahead and attach it to the back with the zip ties. So I'm gonna take my bag of zip ties, open it. Like how they do it in the factories. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add the lights. Let's start. Alright, you can pass me the It is fun. When I first made it, it was really fun.
It's like I'm in the video. Like,
yeah.
not in the video.
Yeah, so this is Kay, y'all. She's just not in the video today, just because. So then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unravel this, and the LED light, and I'm gonna zip tie it around the wreath that we've made into some sort of aluminum foil wreath. Yeah. We chilling, smoking hookah. So I need to see what part of the light it is. I need to see what part of the light is the end of the light. So this is the closing piece. So we gonna put this first because the other side attaches.
So now she got 30 subscribers for those subscribers.
Did you subscribe? I was like subscribed.
I was gonna say you was already subscribed. Okay. So now at this point, I'm gonna take like a handful of zip ties out because I'm gonna use a lot. And I try to do them where the lines are so you won't see it through the light once it's finished. outline it with the cardboard, put it on there, put aluminum foil. Then I went ahead and zip tied the light around, and then I just cut them all off now. So now you'll see no zip ties, you can see the little pieces. And now I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up with some wax paper, and y'all be able to see the finished product. All right, so now I just kind of ripped a whole bunch of wax paper off the roll, so I won't have to keep ripping it each time. And I accidentally bought double-sided tape, which I usually buy bigger tape, but this is double-sided, so we have to make it work. I don't know if I should tape it and then put more paper over it. Let's figure this out.
Ooh, some drama going on around here today.